I'm going to show you two simple ways of creating QR code in MS Word with ease. Welcome to Agutech Instructional Design, where we make learning easier. Let's take it that this is your text document you want to create QR code with. So you just type at the top of your text document display barcode and put a quotation mark here. Come to the end of your text, then type put another quotation mark here and type QR. Just that. Then after typing that, you select all your text. When you select it like this, you are going Ctrl plus F9 or Fn plus Ctrl plus F9. The reason why I put or Fn plus Ctrl plus F9 is some of the laptops, if you use the Ctrl plus F9, the F9 will not function unless you use the Fn, which is the function key in addition to the Ctrl plus F9 before the F9 will function. So that's why I put or Fn plus Ctrl plus F9. So we are going to use these keys to create curly bracket around the Ctrl plus F9. You see this curly bracket on it. Then we will use F9 key. So you just press F9 key to create the QR code. Press F9 key, then the QR code will come. Another way is also you type the display at the top here, display barcode. At the top there, you put your quotation mark there, then you come to the end of the text here, another quotation mark, then QR. Okay, then you select all the text, the same Ctrl plus F9 again to get the curly bracket, then right click and you see toggle field code. Click on it, then that's your QR code. So you either use F9 after you use the Ctrl plus F9, or you use the toggle field code to get a QR code. This is how we create QR code in MS Word. Follow me on YouTube as Aguti Rubin, Agutech IDE at TikTok for more Excel and Word tips. Thank you for watching.